Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another episode on the Velocity channel. Listen, we're going to get into why in the world we need to know about these payments and how to calculate them. Why? Well, spoiler alert, so the lenders don't fool you. Don't worry, I know it's going to seem like it's super hard, but listen, we're going to make it super easy so that you can know these calculations, and not only that, most importantly, eliminate all of those loans, right, especially the amortized ones, so that you don't have to worry about that payment, so that that payment can actually come to you instead. Now, I know that you are raring to get into this. So without further ado, let's do it. Like, share, and subscribe. You'll never see anyone explain this formula as simple as I do. All right, check this out. Now, I know what you're looking at. I know it looks daunting, doesn't it? It looks like a bunch of crocodiles in the swamp and you're trying to get over. You don't know how you're going to get over. You don't know what it means. You know why? Because I haven't labeled each of these letters. Now, what if I told you that the P stands for payment? That is the monthly payment, all right? And what if I told you that the L stands for the loan amount, right? What if I told you that the C actually stands for, let's write it out here, the interest rate, right, per year? So let's say it's 6%, right? 0.06 divided by 12, because there's 12 months in the year, that's going to be 0.005, okay? And what if I told you if N, right, stood for the amount of months that you planned on paying for this mortgage, which for normal people is 360, right? So let's put in at 360. Now, let's go back over here and put some numbers to the payment. We're trying to figure this out, aren't we? So we got to leave that blank. We don't know the number to that one yet. And so the L, though, the loan amount, let's say it's going to be $200K, all right? And fortunately for you, that's all that we have to solve for. So let's go ahead and put this into number form, okay? Let's do it. All right, voila. Okay, we inserted and exchanged the letters for numbers, so now it makes a little more sense, but perhaps you're still scared. It's okay. We're solving for the monthly payment. We're going to do that right now. Check it out. This is addition. You know how to do that. 1 plus 0.005 is what? 1.005 to the 360th power, right? We went ahead and cheated because we used the calculator on that one, and we have 6.02, okay? So we're going to have 6.02. You want me to go ahead and change that? Yeah, let's go ahead and change it. That way, we're not as confused, okay? We're going to change this to 6.02. And then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply it, because that's what we have to do. Look at this. 0.005 multiplied by 6.02 multiplied by 200,000. Now, if you didn't have a calculator, you hear that? You'd be crying, okay? But I went ahead and used the calculator, and I've already calculated this up. It's going to be 6,020, okay? So let's go ahead and replace all this, okay? And if you missed it, you can go ahead and rewind it. Let's go ahead and replace that with 6,020 right here. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to do addition and subtraction and also a little bit of exponents, all right? 1 plus 0.005 is 1.005. To 360, right? To the 360th power, right? That's going to be what? 6.02, and then minus 1 is going to be 5.02. So let's go ahead. We can just erase this. Okay, 5.02. All you have to do is divide that number by this number, 6,020 divided by 5.02. You're going to end up with 1,190 and 20 cents. Now, you may be saying, CJ, why did you show me that? Because your lender is all about making sure things are transparent. I know they are. They have to be. And so what you are going to ask for is the interest rate. You divide that by 12, right? Because it's 12 months in the year. And then you're going to see, man, how many months I got to pay this off? Okay, they're going to give you 360. The loan amount they're going to give you as well, all right? And then you're going to do the calculation. And if this number is anything, right, with the numbers that we use, if this number is, let's say, 2,190, you're going to ask, man, where did you guys go to maths class? Where did you guys go to college? That's not what I got. And they're going to give you some story. Listen, no, they're not. They're going to give you the correct formula because the lenders are perfect. So now I showed you that so that you can take advantage of this formula and also impress your girlfriend, impress your boyfriend, impress your family, impress your community with it. Because now it's easier. But is it easier? Please let me know in the comments below, and keep on velocity banking. Keep on paying off all those houses. Keep on doing it, because when you do it once, you can do it again and again and again. God bless and have a great night.